multiples and factors. Multiples and factors. By the end of this lesson, you should be in a position to obtain multiples and factors. You should be able to obtain multiples and factors of any given number, of given numbers. I want us to start by consider 2 times 1. This is equal to 2. Then 2 times 2 is equal to 4. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Then times 4 is equal to 8. It's equal to 8. Now, given these products, all right, these 2 times 1 is equal to 2. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. And 2 times 4 is equal to 8. Now, these numbers here, these numbers that we have obtained here, these numbers, these ones here, that is 2, these 2, 4, these 4, 6, these 6, and 8 are the first 4 multiples of number 2. They are the first multiples of number 2. 2, 4, 6, 8 are the first 4, because these are 1, 2, 3, 4, are the first 4 multiples of number 2.